all my handy people. I want to introduce you to a new member of the family. Welcome, this is my Kawasaki Super Sherpa. I bought this from an older gentleman who passed away, so it's been sitting for 5 years. So the battery was dead. So we got a new battery. I've always heard that lithium batteries are better than regular, so that's what we're going to do. Let me show you what we're working with. So there it is, the battery tender lithium. This thing is super light. I'm curious what the weight difference is between this one and the one I pulled out of it. Let's put it on the scale and find out. AGM power flow. This thing weighs 4 pounds 7 ounces. Thing feels a ton heavier. Now the lithium battery is 1.67. So it's a little over 1.5 pounds, so it's a dramatic difference in weight. Little things like that sometimes don't seem like a lot, but when you're talking about a motorcycle, every little pound makes it a little bit lighter. So I thought that was interesting how much heavier this is than the other one. So let's get it put in and get on the road. All right, let's put our new battery in. Right, Super Tool 300M. This thing is awesome. We're going to pull out our little Phillips, and we are going to put the screws to the terminals. All right, let's see if she fires up. Dead. Okay, let's go read the directions. The direction says we need to charge it. I don't have a lithium charger, but I think I got a friend that has one. So let's go get that and put it on and see what happens. Okay, so after a bunch of tinkering, I finally think I figured it out. So I've got the battery tender hooked up to the lithium battery. Then I ran these alligator clips here and connected them. And finally it says that it's charging. It's not flashing anymore. Flashing means that it's not charging and it's not connected correctly. So 12 volt, and it said lithium, so it should be charging my lithium battery because the battery came in uncharged. So I will get back to you and let you guys know what happens next. Well, you look at that. Finally, it says fully charged. So we should be good to go. We're going to put this in my motorcycle and see if it works. So maybe this too could help you guys if you run into the same problem. They say when the lithium gets down super low, it won't recharge. But the funny thing is, I bought this brand new and it wouldn't charge. So here we go. Let's see if it starts the motorcycle. Excuse me, we're filming here. Put it over there. Yeah, go that way. Alright. So with that charger, we are finally able to figure out how to charge that. So now that I got it in the bike, let's see what this thing sounds like. Alright, we just got to let it warm up and I'm going to take this for a ride. I've got some new turn signals on order because those are just dry rotted out. The rubber broke on the inside. So we've got some new ones that are smaller so they won't stick out so much. It came with a backrest, so that's also cool. But we're going to be taking this in some of our camping trips, so you'll see it in further videos. But hopefully that battery situation helps you. If I fought with it trying to figure it out, but it was only through watching YouTube videos that I found out what to do. By using those jumper wires to the old battery, it actually was able to think that it was charging, and until it charged enough, I unhooked it and hooked it directly to it, then it finally charged. So if you ever have a battery you buy or your battery gets too low, hopefully this will help you. But until I see you guys again, have fun in your adventures, stay out of trouble. Alright, let's go for a ride.